Every journey begins small. Annapurna Snacks grew from a dream of pure, honest taste into a brand that blends tradition with innovation. Powered by people and trusted by millions.
In Bengal, Annapurna is goddess of food. So that is Annapurna Snacks. And it has created its space because the quality of snacks which we deliver are different from the rural people who are getting from the other vendors. So this creates a differentiating factor. So that is why Annapurna has created a place within all those companies over there.
So it's not only about offering good taste, good product. It is also about offering good value for money. So the idea has been happiness in every packet. So that is what we have been believing in, and the consumers and the other stakeholders also. The idea is that every packet that gets sold should create some value addition for people who are involved in the value chain.
We want to provide good quality material food to everybody at the grassroots level who are at the villages and everywhere, so that everybody by the name of the company can recognize its products.
We have always tried to give them the best value for money to the consumers, who most often happen to be kids. So we are very, very conscious about what they like, and the taste preferences of the local markets are very important to us. We also are trying to constantly evolve and kind of innovate on the product side, so that we can keep up with the ever-changing taste and demand preferences of the consumers.
একটু বাঁদিকে এসো মহারাজ, বাঁদিকে আর একটু। আচ্ছা একটু আমাদের এদিকে
দাদা দেশে বিদেশে নির্ভীকতায় সাহসে একটাই না প্রকাশে তকমা 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 জানুন, জানাতে থাকুন।
And semi-urban markets with a brand new identity featuring one and only none other than Saurav Ganguly as our brand ambassador. So before we welcome Dada here on stage, let me set the agenda for all of you, what we're going to do. That is going to be welcomed here. Post that, we'll have a 15-20 minute fireside chat with him on stage. And right after that, we'll open the forum for our media to ask questions. So जिसने हमें सिखाया कि सक्सेस का स्वाद क्या होता है, वो टेस्ट जो है वो अब स्वादिष्ट परिवार के साथ में, अन्नपूर्णा स्वादिष्ट के परिवार के साथ में हम यहाँ पर इस मंच पर देखने वाले हैं। इन शॉर्ट टाइम फ्रॉम नाउ दादा इज गोइंग टू बी वेलकम हियर, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आप लोगों ने दादा के लिए कोई पैसेज नहीं छोड़ा वहां पे। दादा आएंगे तो आएंगे कहां से? दादा के आने से पहले मीडिया वालों ने सबने उनको घेर के रख लिया है। बट नेवरदलेस दादा हमेशा मीडिया फ्रेंडली रहे हैं एंड मीडिया के सामने वो हमेशा आए हैं, एंड टुडे आल्सो ही इज गोना मेक अ ग्रैंड एंट्री हियर लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। बिल्कुल ग्लो करेंगे आपके सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पे, सो कैप्चर ऑल ऑफ इट एज मच एज यू कैन। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, जस्ट गिव मी अ यस इफ यू आर रेडी टू वेलकम सौरव गांगुली। आर यू रेडी? Alright ladies and gentlemen, we are all set and ready to welcome one and only Saurav Ganguly! इलाका धुआं धुआं कर दिया।
Did you get to see me or not?
दादा आपको तो लोग आंखें बंद करके भी देख सकते हैं।
ঢালাই হোক বা ভিত, এই সিমেন্টেরই হবে জিত। শহর থেকে গ্রাম নির্মাণে একটাই নাম, রশ্মি সিমেন্ট। এবার নির্মাণ হবে সুপারহিট।
I request. Thank you so much. मेरे ख्याल से I'm sure that you know कि दुर्गा पूजा के बाद में दादा it is the first time that you're interacting with the media here. दुर्गा पूजा के बाद में।
No, I did it on the day Ma Durga went for Visarjan. They are there. They keep following me, so I see them every day. I see them every day everywhere. I go to CB, I see them. Ma Durga comes, I see them. Your event, I see them. Anywhere I go, I see them. So that's been the story for the last 30 years.
Thank you, first of all, to all the people, those who are here, all the journalists and everyone. 24/7 आपकी ड्यूटी रहती है and आप हम सब के लिए अच्छी और सच्ची खबरें लेकर के आते हैं, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. But moving ahead, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome the director of our company, जो इस वक्त हमारे साथ में यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, जिनके विजन में, जिनके गाइडेंस में ये कंपनी दिन दुगनी रात चौगनी तरक्की कर रही है, and the vision to hire Saurav Ganguly as the brand ambassador of this company, ये इनका ही काम है. So आइए हम हमारे one of the director who's been instrumental behind this success of the brand. It's time to welcome him, ladies and gentlemen. मैं चाहूंगा कि हम सब उनका जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें, Mr. Shriram Bagla. As I had briefed you guys earlier that there's going to be a 15-20 minutes of fireside chat, and post that we'll open the forum for our media people to ask questions. Now, first of all, a very, very warm welcome and thank you so much for coming on board and joining us here.
Thank you so much. Thanks to Annapurna for making me a part of their family. Unfortunately, Ritesh is not here. There is some bereavement in his family, so from my side, I hope everything gets well. I'm meeting him for the first time. I have not met him before, so as I said, it's a pleasure and honor to be part of this brand, and hopefully together we take this forward.
So my first question is that only that you are known for your leadership and sporting discipline. So what was it about this particular snacks brand and its vision that convinced you to come on board as their brand ambassador?
Firstly, they wanted me as a brand ambassador. That is most important, because and then the vision comes in. So when I met Ritesh 3-4 months back, maybe earlier than that, and our friend here, and I met him after that many a number of times. He somehow occupies the Taj lobby more than anybody else. So when they came and said, they're a newly launched company and they started in 2020 and want to expand and the products they make, and they said that they wanted me to be a part of it. I was very happy. Then we went through the product portfolio of what happens, what they do, where are the factories, and then realized that it's been a fast growing brand. And the best part of it is that I've endorsed so many brands over such a long period of time. Since 1996 I played for India. The best part of this association is they're a growing one, and I have been part of growing brands for a long period of time. And before I entered this room, I was sitting with my friend and he was asking me about my steel company. I said, we started in 2008 when we were nothing. We did 25 crores for the first year, and then in the last 18 years we've become a very, very successful brand. So that's the happiness or the satisfaction of getting attached to something which is growing. Although they have grown quite a bit since 2020, when they started their factories and started distribution. They're a major brand in the eastern part of India, the northeastern part of India. So they are growing, and that's the best thing to be a part of. To make someone successful in your journey. I have endorsed brands. I still do, like someone like Coca-Cola, who's been there for so many years. I've been with them for 15 years. That's another way of looking at it. But having associated with Annapurna, if in the next 5 years they come and say that we've grown 3 times in the next 5 years, that is where the satisfaction is.
So as you rightly said, sir, it's a very fast growing company. So my next question, Shriram sir, is to you. जब हम बात करते हैं बड़ी फास्ट ग्रोइंग कंपनी है, तो हमारे अगले 5 सालों का विजन क्या है?
See, 2020 से अभी तक अपने मतलब लास्ट ईयर वी क्लोज समवेयर अराउंड 400 करोड़ in terms of top line, and last year we also acquired a company in Indore which is into chocolates. So there's huge potential. और अभी भी हमारे रूरल बेल्ट वगैरह में ना बहुत ज़्यादा पोटेंशियल है जो कि लोगों को समझ में नहीं आती, और एक्चुअल ग्रोथ ऑफ इकोनॉमी रूरल से ही आती है क्योंकि बेस वहीं पे है. तो व्हाट वी सी एंड वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल, दादा ने हमारा ऑफर स्वीकार किया एंड ही केम ऑन बोर्ड विद अस, एंड वी हैव सीन कि पीपल इन बंगाल, वी आर बेसिकली वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया फोकस्ड कंपनी. सो दादा की इमेज, दादा का जो अपना एक रहा है शुरू से, उसके हेल्प से कंपनी कैसे स्केल करती है. So we are very thankful, and we hope in next 5 years, as what Dada said, if we able to scale our company to more than 1,000 crore in terms of top line, we would be very happy.
So there was one question from the media people. They wanted to know how difficult or easy it is to hire Saurabh Ganguly as a brand ambassador.
It was
Not in terms of money. They did not ask in terms of money, but the kind of efforts that you had to put in getting in touch with his team, and how many meetings that you had to go through.
this
to finalize it.
entire thing was organized by Ritesh because he was taking the lead of this entire thing. But as we discussed, it was not very difficult. Dada was approachable. He used to listen, so he used to discuss. So that it was a very kind of a homely gesture where we get into.
Right. My next question is to you. In an age when celebrities endorse multiple brands and they have their own product choices, what are the key factors that you evaluated while selecting this snack brand products? It could be taste, quality, target audience. What stood out for you? Or the authenticity of the owners?
It's what they make, and that's very important. And the quality of the product, taste of the product. As he said, they have a revenue of 400 crores a year, and just being on the eastern part of India, and I'm sure they will, with time, they will go to other parts of the country as well. So to sell 400 crores in 3 or 4 years is not easy. So that means it's acceptable, because just like everything in life, there's competition. There's somebody else making the same products and trying to sell it. So you fight the market, you compete, and then sell your product. So there is acceptability. So that's one. And then you push it. Then you push, and I presume that I'm probably the first ambassador to the company.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as it happens with everyone, you start, you progress for a while, and then you push the marketing part of it so that it reaches more people. That's what happens to all consumer brands. And for me, I've actually tasted their products. They're available cheap in various price channels. I think they have packets worth 10 rupees also, 5 rupees also. So that's what makes it affordable. As he said, they want to expand to the villages where people want to have this. It's a quick fill up, and take it from there. I will always emphasize on the quality of the product, and that is something which should happen year after year. It's not just that you do it for once and then look after it. Don't look after it for the future. That's the only way they're going to get acceptable. Everything in life is about quality. Whether you do a film, whether you play cricket, whether you make products, it's about the quality of the product, which ultimately survives in the long run. And I think Annapurna, I'm sure with time we'll focus on that, and obviously I'll have my inputs. They're expanding in other businesses as well, which you will get to know in the months to come, and that's what it is. My good wishes to them. I feel everything in life is for a long haul. You don't do anything for 3 or 4 years, whether it's sports, whether it's business, or whether it's anything you do. You want to remain in the system and want to grow, and I think that should be their goal for the years to come.